Hi guys, and everybody have a happy Monday. If you're feeling down, don't. If you're feeling depressed, don't. If you feel like you need to take a shit, well, you better go and have one, because it's not good to hold that up. Today, I'm going to be showing you something very, very special. Today, I thought I'd show you how to correctly connect a USB charging cable to your phone or tablet. Okay, now there is actually a certain art when it comes to connecting the charger cable to your phone. Okay, there is a certain way that you have to do it, and this is how you do it correctly.
Okay, first of all, you put it in the correct way, which will not fit. Then, you have to turn it the incorrect way, which again will not fit. Then, turn it the correct way again, and this time it will fit perfectly.
There you go, guys. If you follow those instructions very carefully, you will actually insert your charger cable to your phone without any problems. Right, guys, I hope you all have a fantastic Monday and a fantastic new week. And I shall be back very, very soon doing loads of stupid dumbass shit. But in the meantime, take it away, Miss Smiley.
And in the meantime, guys, have a good day. I'm Jeff Music Man.